All right, get ready, because today we're going to take a deep dive into some really inspiring smoothie diet results. We're looking at Drew's YouTube video where he talks about how people are totally transforming their lives with this. And trust me, you're going to want to hear this. Just imagine like slipping back into those jeans you thought you'd never wear again. Or like having the energy to actually keep up with your kids. Or just feeling amazing in your own skin. That's what we're talking about today.
Yeah, and what's so cool is how relatable Drew is about the whole thing. Like, he
Yeah.
doesn't shy away from, the struggle of yo-yo dieting and those fad diets that promise you like the world, but then leave you feeling worse than before.
Ugh, yeah, it's totally that feeling of like, I've tried everything and nothing works.
Yeah. And he even gets into like the health implications of carrying extra weight, which can be a real wake-up call. It's not just about fitting into a certain size. It's about feeling good and being healthy too, right?
Well-
Absolutely. He makes that connection so well. Like, this program isn't just about a quick fix. It's about like a total lifestyle shift. It empowers you to take control of your health,
Yeah.
you know?
I love that. And you know what else I love? The smoothie diet is so simple. You just swap 2 meals a day with these delicious nutrient-packed smoothies.
Yep.
No crazy restrictions, no complicated meal prep.
That's so key for long-term success. And Drew really makes the point that these smoothies are designed to be satisfying and taste amazing, so you can actually stick with it.
Right. It's not about deprivation. It's about like nourishing your body with good stuff that actually tastes good. Speaking of good stuff, we got to talk about Amanda. She lost almost 70 pounds with the program, and she's kept it off. I mean, that's incredible.
It really is. Amanda's story is such a great example of how well this program works. She loved the smoothies, they kept her feeling full and energized, and she had Drew's support whenever she needed it.
Yeah, that support system is so important, especially when those cravings hit. But it's not just Amanda. Drew talks about another client who lost 3 pounds and a whole pant size in just 3 days. 3 days. Can you imagine the motivation that gives you?
That's amazing, what a little momentum can do. And then there's the story of the woman who lost 7 pounds in just 4 days, just 5 weeks after giving birth. It just shows that this program can really work for people in all different stages of life, you know?
Totally. It's really inspiring to see that. But I'm curious, those rapid results, while super impressive, are really just the beginning, right?
Right. Drew really emphasizes that this program is designed for sustainable, long-term weight loss.
Yeah, that's what really grabbed my attention too. So many diets are like a sprint. You might see some initial results, but then you hit a wall and you end up right back where you started.
Exactly. This is more like a marathon. It's about building healthy habits that you can stick with. That's what's crucial for actually keeping the weight off.
I see. So it's not just about the number on the scale. It's about how you feel, your energy levels, your confidence. What struck me is how many people continue using the program even after they reach their goals. They've integrated into their lifestyle as a way to maintain their weight with ease.
That's the ultimate goal, isn't it? To find a way of eating that's healthy, sustainable, and enjoyable. And Drew provides like a whole library of smoothie recipes tailored to different needs and tastes.
Oh, so it's not just the same boring smoothie every day.
Not at all. He's got options for everyone.
Yep.
And he's always coming up with new recipes. Plus, Amanda mentioned that Drew offers weekly coaching calls and a private support group. Having that level of accountability and guidance probably makes a huge difference.
That makes so much sense. It's like having a cheerleader and a coach in your corner throughout the entire journey. Okay, so we've seen these incredible results. We've talked about the science-backed approach, and we've touched on the support system. But what does this all mean for our listener?
It means they don't have to settle for those frustrating yo-yo diets anymore. They don't have to feel like they've failed, or that they lack the willpower to lose weight and keep it off. The smoothie diet offers a simple, delicious, and sustainable approach to reaching their goals.
And it's not just about weight loss, is it? It's about reclaiming their health, their energy, and their confidence.
Yeah.
Drew goes into a lot more detail about the program in his video, so I definitely recommend checking that out for a deeper dive. But before we wrap up, I have to mention the limited time offer Drew talks about.
Yeah, it's a fantastic opportunity to get started on this journey at a really accessible price.
Exactly. So if you're feeling inspired and ready to take control of your health, I highly encourage you to check out Drew's offer in the link below. You won't regret it.
It's an investment in yourself and your well-being, and that's the most important investment you can make.
Couldn't agree more. All right, that about wraps up our deep dive into the amazing results people are experiencing with the smoothie diet. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling pretty inspired after hearing all these success stories. It really shows that real transformation is possible.
It is. And the smoothie diet gives you a roadmap to get there.
Exactly. So if you're ready to ditch the yo-yo diets, boost your energy, and feel amazing in your own skin, this might be the perfect solution for you. Head to the link in the show notes to learn more about Drew's incredible offer and start your own smoothie diet journey today.
You deserve to feel your best, and the smoothie diet can help you get there.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Until next time, keep diving deep.
Yeah, it really is inspiring to see that, but it's important to remember that those like super fast results, those are impressive, but they're really just the beginning, right?
Right.
Drew makes a big point of saying that this program is really designed for like the long haul, for sustainable long-term weight loss.
Yeah, and that's what really stood out to me too. Like, so many diets are like a sprint.
Yeah.
You might see some results at first, but then you kind of hit a wall, and you're right back where you started.
Exactly. It's like, he says it's more like a marathon. It's about building these healthy habits that you can stick with. That's what's so important for keeping the weight off for good.
Makes sense. So it's not just about like the number on the scale, right? It's about how you feel, your energy levels, your confidence. And you know what really struck me is how many people keep using the program even after they hit their goals. They've made it part of their life, like a way to easily maintain their weight.
That's really the dream, isn't it? Finding a way to eat that's healthy and that you can stick with and that you enjoy. And what's cool is Drew gives you this huge library of smoothie recipes. They're all tailored to different needs and tastes.
So it's not just the same smoothie every day.
Nope, not at all. He's got something for everyone. And he's always coming up with new recipes, too. Oh, and Amanda mentioned that Drew also does these weekly coaching calls. And there's a private support group, too. I bet having that kind of accountability and support makes a big difference.
That makes a ton of sense. It's like having your own personal cheerleader and coach right there with you the whole way. So we've seen the amazing results. We talked about the science behind it, and we touched on the support system. But what does this mean for our listeners?
It means they don't have to do those yo-yo diets anymore. They don't have to feel like they're failing or like they don't have the willpower to lose weight and keep it off. The smoothie diet is a simple and delicious way to reach their goals, and it's sustainable,
And it's not just about the weight loss either. It's about feeling healthy and having more energy and feeling confident.
Mm-hmm.
Drew gets into a lot more detail about the program in his video, so definitely check that out if you want to learn more. But before we go, I have to mention that limited time offer Drew talked about.
Oh, yeah, it's a great deal. A really good chance to get started at a really good price.
Exactly. So if you're feeling inspired and ready to take charge of your health, I'd say go check out Drew's offer. The link is down below. I don't think you'll regret it.
It's an investment in you and your health. That's the best investment you can make.
I totally agree. Well, that just about wraps up our deep dive into the smoothie diet and all the incredible results people are seeing. What about you? Are you feeling inspired by all these stories? It really shows that real change is possible.
Yeah, it's really amazing what people are achieving.
Totally. So if you're ready to finally say goodbye to those yo-yo diets and get your energy back and just feel amazing, this could be it, This could be the answer. Head over to the link in the show notes to find out more about Drew's offer and start your own smoothie diet journey today.
You deserve to feel your best, and this could be the way to get there.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the smoothie diet. We'll see you next time for another deep dive.